Welcome to Good News TV, a date with Bamidele Samuel.
No, Uzodinma has been attacked, set to leave office as governor for immediate replacement. Governor Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State, has just been attacked, and as we speak right now, the Imo people are saying that Governor Hope Uzodinma actually deserved this very attack, that he never merited the position that he is presently, that this very attack has been reserved for him for a very long time, but they released it on him, and the right time they feel that is supposed to be released. Don't be smart, my people. Let's check the contents. The leader from the Okigwe senatorial zone of Imo State have disowned one of their sons, Dr. Fabian Ihekweme, a former commissioner for foreign affairs under Governor Hope Uzodinma, over what they described as unwarranted and unjustified attacks on the governor. Nyekweme has of late taken to the social media to unjustly attack the governor and his policies. Apart from condemning the actions of Nyekweme, the leader resolved to summon him to show cause why he should not be properly sanctioned for his indiscretion. At a meeting which held at the official residence of the Speaker of the State Assembly, Honorable Chike Olangbe, the leader unanimously passed a vote of confidence on Governor Uzodinma, saying that they owe him a lot of gratitude for extending quality appointments and infrastructure to the zone. In attendance at the meeting were current and former National and State Assembly members, the Secretary to the Government of Imo State Chief Cosmos Iwu, Business Mogul Chief Tony Chukwu, former INEC Chairman Professor Maurice Iwu, foremost traditional rulers, among others. They were unhappy with Iyekweme for his show of disrespect to the governor to the extent of attacking him in the media. They believe that such an irreverent act was capable of portraying the people of the zone as ingrates, especially given Governor Uzodinma's generous gesture to them. In passing a vote of confidence on the governor, the Okigwe Apex leaders reeled out the developmental initiatives for the zone by the governor, arguing that they needed to encourage him to do more for them. They commended the governor for the juicy appointment he gave them, the reconstruction of Owerri Okigwe and Owerri Obowo Umuahia Road and other projects. They set up a committee to invite Ihe Kweme to hear his own side of the story, just as Okigwe's son and daughters were cautioned to refrain from maligning government officials in the media. Okay, my people, uh, Ihe Kweme, I will say, hasn't done anything wrong. He actually questioned Uzodinma. That is what I feel. Yes, he questioned Uzodinma. He told him to his face that, what have you done in second term in office? This very second time, what have you done? The first time was half baked. You did more of demolition than repair. How many projects were you able to commission? Even the project you commissioned were projects already completed by the past governors. So you just came and did finishing touch. You see that? Now in this second term, considering considering when you entered and what you have the months you have spent is an evident proof that there is no truth in you. So with this that I've just been said, I am of this opinion that in Yekwemi or whatever, we need to we yes prove himself even before the elders or or the senators that may have invited him. Okay, fearlessly, the same way it said it in the phrase of Uzodinma, you should still say it in their presence. This is what made him to say what he has just said, because he is not the only person lamenting and questioning Uzodinma for his evil acts in Imo State. You understand? Yes. So what are we saying? So, my dear people, let me hear from you on this matter, and let's know what your take, what your opinion, and what your advice about this actually is. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.